This is part 4 of unlocking this machine right away. So in this part 4, you also look at here the mechanisms from this side. Remember we did the other side, helping it to turn. So you can be eating like this. So the handle here is shaking. But this handle that is shaking does not shake anything concerning this machine. It means that it's only the handle here is turning. This thing alone does not turn the main machine. So what you are going to do right now is to tie this handle to the machine so that it will now turn this machine when necessary. So we will tie it from here like this. We tie it here like this. We tie it here. Tie here like this. You remove this one, there is no need of this one. Or you can even allow it to be set. You can use it and try. See, the machine is not turning. It's very stiff. Am I going to teach my people? Ooh. You know, creator. I can't tell. Stop laughing at me. I make no me cause this machine not it. The Lord forget it again. Yen me off camera. Yen me off camera. Udah ada norok. This machine is still stubborn. Stubborn machine. So as it is now, that means we will start to be loosening some parts bit by bit so that we will make sure it turns. Like this one now. This one controls the needle bar. You loosen it. I loosen it. It is not still turning. So what I will do now, I will loosen the plates. Machine plates. I will loosen it like this. It's very stiff. I cannot loosen it. So when your machine plate is stiff, this is what you do. Oh, you eat that your machine plate to this direction. You eat it to this direction. So, but let me cut this camera so that I will make part 4 of it, so that the video will not be too long.